Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 468 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Nudestix Tinted Blur Stick and I have it in the shade Light 3, and this is also from my May Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So if you want to see that unboxing, I will link that video down below. But I was so excited to get this because I've never tried anything from the brand Nudestix, but I've been wanting to. And this sounds like such a cool, versatile product. So let me tell you a bit about it. It says this minimizes the appearance of pores, blemishes, fine lines, and skin texture. The light reflecting cream to powder mineral formula gives you a soft matte glow as the shade adjusting pigments blend with your skin tone, and it can be used as a light coverage for like those no makeup days type of looks, or it can be used as a primer under foundation, or as like a blotting stick, kind of like a powder to absorb oil throughout the day. So that just sounds so neat. And I really love the look of fresh, natural skin. I don't like it to look like I have makeup and foundation on, so a product like this is right up my alley. So I'm going to start out by, I'm going to apply it to this half of my face and onto my cheeks where I have some redness and large pores. And let's just see what it does to that. And it does say that you can just blend it out with your fingers, do a little tapping motion, and it really does. It just blends out so easily. And it does have that creamy texture when you first apply it. Looking at the difference, this cheek with it versus this cheek without it, it's very minimal difference. I'm gonna go in with some more and really apply a generous amount. And I know that this is not supposed to have like great coverage. It's supposed to just more look natural and blurring. There's a little bit of difference in the amount of redness. Did kind of tone that down. And then when I look up close, the pores definitely look minimized and blurred, but I have to say it's leaving a very dry, cakey texture on my skin. Let's try it out on my chin. My chin area has some redness, some blemishes, some pores. It did like the tiniest bit of improvement, but not to the point where I feel confident enough in how my skin looks. I feel like I would need to add more products like on top of it. For $30, I don't want this to be a primer. I want it to be more of a face makeup type of look. Let's just do the other cheek. It does have that mattifying finish, but yeah, it did that same thing on this cheek. It's looking cakey again and dry, which is interesting because this is such a light coverage that how can it have that cakey texture, but it does. It just doesn't look smooth on the skin. It just doesn't sit very nicely. And my skin is, I mean, it's moisturized, it's freshly exfoliated. There's no reason it should be giving me that dry texture. Now the real test is going to be on my nose and how it does at blurring these pores. Okay, wow, yeah. Now that is a very big improvement and a dramatic difference. It did such a great job of blurring on my nose. So I'm impressed with what it does to the pores. People that have less to cover up, this is a great option for just giving yourself a little bit of extra blurring. I wouldn't even say extra coverage, but to just have a little bit more skin perfecting for looking like you're wearing nothing. So I like the idea of this, but I don't love it as much as I was hoping I would. I think I also would need this to be a little bit more hydrating because it's just not looking smooth on my skin like I was saying. I think that on camera, the finished look looks nice. There's definitely some evenness to my skin tone. My skin has a nice finish to it where it's not looking too shiny or too matte, but it's just when I'm getting really picky and looking up close, you can tell that I have product on my face, and I like the look of more of a natural skin finish. But if you've tried this, I'd love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on it, your favorite ways to wear it. I'm still going to try using this. I'll try if my skin gets oily throughout the day, trying this as a blotting little way to dab at the oiliness. And I'm interested to see if this will work as a primer, but because it is drying to my skin, I don't think that it would work great because I need to add that moisture in. But hopefully I can find a way to get use out of this. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.